Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make image to pencil sketch in Gimp. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open your image into Gimp. Left click on your image in layers panel and then simply tap on this duplicate layer. Now select your duplicate layer, double click on it, go for this colors and go for this desaturate and select here color to gray. Now click on this OK. Left click on your copied layer again and tap on this copy layer again. Go for this colors again and simply tap on this linear invert. You will see this kind of results. Now go to this drop down and select this dodge here. Go to filters, blur and go for this Gaussian blur. Increase these values like this until you are satisfied and then click on this OK. Now go to colors, go to this exposure, increase a little bit until you are satisfied again and then simply click on this OK and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make image to pencil sketch in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.